configuration, I'm going to use DJI Mini 3 to check if the CableCreation CC0574 Type-C to micro USB B cable to connect my DJI remote controller and my VIVO X9s. I also need my colleague Justin for help. The first one is USB-C to micro USB cable. Justin would connect the cable to the remote controller. Type-C host connect the remote controller. And the micro USB to the VIVO X9s. Then hook the smartphone to the remote controller. Start the DJI Fly app. Okay, Justin, just start the aircraft. It's just scanning the aircraft. Okay, from this interface, we can find that my VIVO X9s had just get the picture from the DJI Mini 3. Okay, then Justin just start the aircraft. We can find that Justin just start up the aircraft. Okay, we can find that CableCreation USB-C to micro USB cable can work with VIVO X9s to the DJI Mini 3's remote control.